Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to show you a quick tutorial on how you can clear up and free up your CapCut space on your computer. You can clear up space on your computer. If your computer is running low on space, you can quickly do these steps. I'm using a Mac. You can do the same thing for your Windows computer. So immediately why did I start doing this? I'm just going to reduce the size of this real quick. When I came here about this Mac and you come here, you're supposed to come to this section where you will find space. So you see, I've cleared so many stuff on my computer and I discovered I still have only 88 gig left. So what might be the problem? So you're supposed to come to storage settings and you scroll down to the bottom. You should see where or apps that are using so much of your space. So at first, when I came to applications, the crazy thing is you won't find CapCut on the list of your apps that are using your space. But actually, the main truth is it's actually consuming so much space. Then if you come to documents, you won't even find, if you come to documents where your space are, you won't find CapCut files eating up your space or cache or stuff like that. If you come to movies, you only see this, which is not enough. Let's say we clear this out, move to trash. That is not even enough. I'm going to show you is deeper than this. So I will close this, then I will close here, then you'll find this option here. So I'm just going to open this again, CapCut again. So I will say disagree and close. Okay, no. Okay, let me do that part properly. I'm just going to open here again, CapCut. Okay, let's agree and continue. So on this section here, you won't find anything here except you come to home, then you come to spaces, then you will find so much of your stuff. You see, I have over 190 files that I have not empty out. So I just come to trash and just wait for it to load up. It's taking you to a different place. Well, we don't want to go all of that. I'm just going to minimize this. I'll say allow. So I'll come here, I'll say show all. Now this is all your files that are eating up your space. Can you see this? These are the files that are eating up your space. So I've selected all that I can select. So I just come here, I'll say delete. I'll say delete. Like these files, these edits are from over a year ago. You can see now we're clearing them out. We can do the same thing for these ones too. I'll say trash. Sorry, not this. I'm just gonna quickly come back here. So I just come here. I'll come and say, so you can actually download them again. So I just come here and say delete. Okay, if it's not allowing me, I just come 3 dots, I say delete here. Delete, and that's it. And also the thing there is some files from your mobile phone that you've been editing are also there too. So I'm just going to delete all of them. This one I'm currently deleting is from my mobile. They're all synchronized. So I'm just going to see what I can do. So if you can't find them in a particular space, you come to the next one. So I have so many space, cloud storage and all that. So you just check which one is keeping your files and you can just clear them out completely. All right, I hope this short tutorial did help. If it did, let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe. My name is IMF Hope and I'll say bye for now. Check this out. My space is cleared.